2, 1, let's go, come on! Coming on. Let's see it loud. Let's go. Come on. Here they come.
From the Tennessee Center for the Study and Treatment of Dyslexia at MTSU, and we're out here at this run to support our partners at Learning Matters to ensure that kids with characteristics of dyslexia can enjoy reading success.
We're just here, learned about this event this year, here to support our nephew and Shepherd, and what an awesome event for families and all the kids and all the activities after, and just all around, just a great day and great atmosphere.
For one, it's good for your health, keeps you engaged with people, networking. It's also for a good cause.
I decided to run this 5K because my good friend Simmons here has dyslexia, and I love to support her because I love her so much. And she's one of my best friends in the whole world.
Yeah, I came to have a good time with my friends and dress up and have a fun run for a good cause.
I'm running because every student deserves access to a high-quality literacy education, and Learning Matters changes lives.
I'm running because my students deserve education that works for them.
This is a way that you can help students learn to read, and with our literacy crisis that we have, students need all the help they can get. So just by running, you too can be part of the solution.
Everybody should sign up for the Music City Run for Dyslexia, and the reason is because approximately 20% of the population is dyslexic, so there are so many of us, and for some reason there's a stigma attached to it, and we want to bring this community of dyslexic students and their families and the people they love them together so that we can reduce that stigma, have fun, and bring awareness.
See you